showing you the current state of my hair. So look how thin it is. Sobrang nipis. And for now, this is my short-term solution. The Topic Hair Building Fiber Powder and the Topic Hair Building Applicator. So if you purchase it, magkahiwalay yan, right? So this is just the powder and ito yung sprayer. So mas makakatipid ka dito kaysa direct mo siyang ilalagay yan sa hair mo. So this is the applicator. This is around 350 plus for the both of this package, right? So first, I am just shaking this one para umangat lahat ng powder niya. And you just have to spray it sa affected areas. So sa akin, it's in the middle. So ginaganyan ko lang siya. So medyo nasa 1/4 na lang to, no? That's why I'm really shaking it well. As you can see, yung fiber tinatakpan niya yung mga bald spots natin to make it look thicker and fuller. Right? So nakita niyo yung magic. Biglang nawala na lang siya, right? So tap ka lang dyan. And sa likod, since hindi ko makita, I'm making sure na nararamdaman ko siya na nasa likod is nalalagyan. And once it's done, so tabi mo na. You just have to comb it with a brush. So any brush will do. Simple as that. Of course, while you are combing, medyo may nalalagay dito sa side. You just have to wipe it with a tissue. And boom, thin hair no more.